Life in Zanzibar Island. White sandy beaches and the bustling Stonetown welcome to Zanzibar, a breathtaking island in the Indian Ocean. A place of rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes. In this documentary, we explore everything you need to know about life on this enchanting island, from its economy and people to its geography, food, and travel tips. If you've ever dreamed of visiting, stick with us until the end for essential travel information. Like, comment, and subscribe to Escape Explorer Lifestyle for more travel documentaries. Section 1. Introduction to Zanzibar. Zanzibar is an archipelago off the coast of Tanzania, consisting of two main islands, Unguja and Pemba, along with several smaller islands. It's known for its spice farms, coral reefs, and vibrant culture, blending African, Arab, Persian, and European influences. Have you been to Zanzibar? Share your experience in the comments. Section 2. Capital and etymology. The capital of Zanzibar is Stonetown, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The name, Zanzibar, comes from the Persian words, zank, and bar, meaning, land of the blacks. Over the centuries, the island has been a melting pot of cultures, shaping its unique identity. Want a virtual tour of Stonetown? Let us know in the comments. Section 3. History. Long before Zanzibar became the tourist paradise it is today, it played a significant role in maritime trade. The island was a crucial link in trading networks connecting Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Traders from Persia, India, and Arabia brought their goods and cultures, shaping the island's identity. The Portuguese controlled Zanzibar in the 16th century before the Omani Sultanate took over in the 17th century, establishing Zanzibar as a leading trading hub for spices and enslaved people. In 1890, Zanzibar became a British protectorate and later gained independence in 1963. A year later, Zanzibar merged with Tanganyika to form Tanzania. The legacy of these past rulers is still evident today, from the Arabic-style architecture in Stonetown to the Swahili language spoken across the island. Subscribe for more in-depth history documentaries. Section 4. Land, geography and climate. Zanzibar has a tropical climate with warm temperatures year-round. The best time to visit is from June to October when it's dry and cool. Rainy seasons are from March to May and November to December. Planning a trip? Comment below for travel tips. Section 5. Population, demographics, and languages. Zanzibar has a population of around 1.6 million, with Swahili as the primary language, though many speak English and Arabic. Islam is the dominant religion, influencing daily life and traditions. Want to learn basic Swahili phrases? Comment, teach me Swahili. Section 6. Economy, Agriculture, and Trade. Zanzibar's economy relies on tourism, spice farming, and fishing. Known as the Spice Island, it exports cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Tourism is the biggest foreign exchange earner, attracting visitors to its beaches and historical sites. Fishing is another key industry, with locals relying on the Indian Ocean's rich marine life. Handcrafted goods and textiles, such as kanga and kitenge fabrics, are also vital trade products sold in markets across the island. Tourism is the biggest foreign exchange earner, attracting visitors to its beaches and historical sites. Have you tried Zanzibar's famous spices? Share your favorite. Section 7. Lifestyles and Daily Life. Life in Zanzibar is a blend of tradition and modernity. Many people engage in fishing and farming, while the younger generation is involved in tourism and trade. The island has a laid-back vibe, making it a paradise for both residents and visitors. What part of Zanzibari life interests you the most? Comment below. Section 8. Food and Cuisine. Zanzibar's cuisine is a mix of Swahili, Indian, and Middle Eastern influences. Popular dishes include biryani, pilau, octopus curry, and yoroho soup. Don't forget to try fresh tropical fruits like mangoes and coconuts. Which Zanzibari dish would you love to try? Let us know. Section 9. Tourism and things to do. Snorkeling in Nemba Atoll, exploring Stonetown. Visiting Jozani Forest. Zanzibar offers incredible experiences: scuba diving, spice tours, dolphin watching, and cultural heritage tours. The island is also famous for its full moon parties at Nungwi Beach. Want a full Zanzibar travel guide? Comment, yes. Section 10. Transportation and how to get there. Getting to Zanzibar is easy. You can fly directly to Abiad Amani Karum International Airport or take a ferry from Dar es Salaam. On the island, you can use taxis, dala-dalas, shared minibuses, or rent a scooter to explore. You can fly directly to Abiad Amani Karum International Airport, which receives flights from major cities in Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. Another option is taking a ferry from Dar es Salaam, which offers a scenic route across the Indian Ocean. Once on the island, transportation options include taxis, dala-dalas, shared minibuses, tuk-tuks, and rental scooters. Renting a scooter or bicycle is a fun way to explore Zanzibar at your own pace, especially in more rural areas. However, always ensure you have the proper license and safety gear when riding. Ready to book your trip? Let us know. Section 11. Final thoughts and conclusion. Zanzibar is more than just a destination, it's an experience. Whether you're drawn by its history, culture, or stunning beaches, it's a place that stays in your heart forever. If you're planning to visit, now is the time. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel documentaries. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Zanzibar. See you in the next adventure.